G'day, it's Rob here again. Well, we're right into winter, cold, wet and miserable in South Australia, but it is August, and that's our winter month. And yeah, it's been bloody cold, I must say, but not that wet. Although at the moment it is raining. And yesterday a very wet and bedraggled courier guy dropped off this box for me, and it's from Alan in the UK from Retro Steam Tech channel. And he sent me something very heavy. Now, I don't know what it is. I had a sneaking suspicion something was coming because I saw a note from DHL mentioning Alan and saying a parcel was on the way. So yeah, here it is. What is it? No idea. So today we have the grand opening, the unveiling, the unboxing, and we're going to use Bill Baggins' knife that he sent me to christen the knife and do the opening. So let's get on with it. I've broken out the gloves. It's a bit chilly. And I'll warm up my fingers a bit. So watch these sharp knives. I'm a bit wary of these things. I've had accidents before. Right. Bill's knife is extremely sharp. What have we got? What is all this, I wonder? It's a real mystery. I've not got a clue what this is. Wow, look at that. Brass, fantastic. That is so expensive here. Wow, wow, amazing, incredible. Now I did actually say in some comment that I was pretty low on resources. Wow, that's a fantastic gift. Whew. Wow. What else we got here? I'm okay for aluminium, but thanks anyway. And this is the commercial stuff. Very nice. But wow, that brass, that's expensive stuff to buy in Australia, that's for sure. Incredible. Ooh, some more commercial aluminium. We've got a letter here, I'll look at in a minute. And some more. And some more. Wow. Yeah, this is what I've been wanting to get. I want to make up a boiler. And I did mention to Alan that I want to make up a steam boiler, try and get that little steam engine that I bought at a garage sale running on steam. I've had it running on compressed air and it runs great. That will be absolutely perfect. That is fantastic. That's exactly what I want. So I'll be able to do that now. And do some ends out of this stuff as well. Thank you, Alan. That's fantastic. I can't thank you enough. That's brilliant. I'm a bit worried it would have cost a bit to send this stuff over here. I might have to get you some money, reimburse you. Get some more aluminium. I hope this isn't stuff that you need yourself. Wow. check out the brass. Ooh, is that any good? That's magnificent. I just blown away by this. I can't get this stuff at a reasonable price. For quids here in Australia, it's just so damn dear. There's a rod. Wow. Some more. Tremendous. That'd be good for doing uprights for the base. What have we got here? Whoops. Something fell out. Another piece of brass. That's awesome. Have a look at that. God. And some more cylinder material, brass. We're getting to the bottom now. Some more alley. And some more alley. How is that for a fantastic gift? For someone who's into model making, like I am these days, and it's a good thing to get into because you get to use your lathe, not just look at it. And it's even better if you get it to run, and it's even better if you use your own plans. You know, I mean, I've never been one to stick to plans and build something that somebody's already done and done all the basic work. I like to do my own thing, as you've seen, and yeah, they can work out and they can be very satisfying. So let's check out the ladder, see what we've got here. Hi Rob, had a little luck on eBay yesterday. Had a little luck on eBay recently, going after some metal stock. Got more than I can use, so I thought I'd send you a little model. Steam engine boiler materials kit, that's the brass. The aluminium was a job lot I got really cheap from a CNC company selling off their bar ends. Thought you might be able to use that. Cheers, Alan. And here's the little engine that I want to make the boiler for, the steam boiler. A little beauty, isn't it? I bought that second hand at a clearing sale. Well, it was a deceased estate sale. The wife was having to clean out. I bought this, and I bought the little Sherlon metal lathe and a few other odd tools. And yeah, as you see, it runs beautifully on compressed air. That's about 3 psi. But I'd love to see it run on steam. I mean, that's what it's meant for. So make up a little steam boiler for it when I get time, and that'll be another project down the track. But I really do appreciate you sending me this stuff, Alan. It's fantastic. Exactly what I was looking for. I was getting, set to go down and bite the bullet and buy some from our guys, the local suppliers, and I knew they were going to rip the hell out of me. But anyway, with this, I'll fix you up for the postage or whatever. I'll send an email and we'll discuss it. But I really do appreciate the gesture enormously. And yeah, what more can I say? So there you go, guys. Model engines. Do you want to see some more? A lot more. Check out Alan's channel, Retro Steam Tech. I'll put the link in the video description. And yeah, make sure you drop over there and check out the channel. It's really good. Okay, well that's it for me. It's yeah, amazing what happens when you do YouTube or mix with people that are into YouTube. Okay, I hope you enjoyed it. I'll see you next time. Cheers.